about to wrap. Last scene of the day, and we're about to. Okay, so I just finished my 6-mile run. I'm gonna stretch, and then I edited, but it wouldn't upload, so I have to finish uploading at home. I'm gonna stretch and then head home. It's my last day. So sad. My lifetime, it has been real. I can't believe it. Oh man, on to new things, I guess. I mean, I'll be back a lifetime, I think. Maybe like weekend shifts, but done. Okay. I'm watching Love Island, and then I'm also scrolling on my phone on TikTok, and I just got the influencer ick, where it's like, I don't know, I'm watching people like, this is what you should buy. You should get this. This is what I do. This is what you do. This is what we should do. And it really bothers, I don't know, it just gives me the ick sometimes. Just like, there's just too many people telling you what to do, what's right, what's wrong, what. Yeah, I just got the ick. And I'm doing it. I'm doing the influencer thing. It's weird that I pull out my phone. Whatever. I just got the altogether ick. Okay, so let me pause. Okay, so I didn't clean, but I tidied up. And then now I'm gonna go downstairs really quick and download the rest of my video. It's saying it's gonna take 2 hours, so I might as well just go downstairs. And then I think later I'm gonna start cooking. Yeah. Okay, so I had to come downstairs in order to upload. It literally took me like 5 minutes, whereas in my apartment it literally was taking about an hour. It took at least 2 hours because I cleaned while it was uploading and I sat there for an hour while it was uploading. So I just decided to come downstairs. So now I'm going upstairs, and then I am gonna figure out what's for dinner. Box time. Box time. Okay, so I'm going grocery shopping. LOL, I just felt like tacos and I was gonna buy some, but then I thought, instead of buying tacos, I should make them. So I'm gonna go buy some stuff for pico de gallo. And then we have chicken. I just need shells and stuff like that. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I got the goods, but I got self-conscious, so I literally didn't film anything. So yeah, I'll show you. I'll just cook and you guys will see what I got. I literally am cooking right now. So, let's go. Put this on because I need. Nowadays, annoying. Oh. I said Rocky. I can make my own. Yeah, I'm gonna make my own. Okay, first taco, let me taste test. I've tasted the chicken. Oh my gosh. Honestly, amazing. Okay, first bite. Someone's stuck in the elevator. Mm-hmm. Great, but I'm gonna stop embarrassing myself. Go finish up my tacos. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. It's so embarrassing.